Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Safepal wallet to bank account so that you could withdraw your money from the Safepal wallet to your bank. So first of all, you need to launch your Safepal wallet. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. You are going to see this type of interface in front of you where you will see the insight relating to your balance here in the top. So if you try to find any of the bank transfer options, you will see that SafePal wallet doesn't directly allow you to send money to your bank account, because not only in the SafePal wallet but in any other wallets as well, you are not going to see the bank transfer option. So in that case, you need to first of all swap any other cryptocurrency if you have it into a stable coin like USDT or USDC. So this keeps the value stable and makes it very easy for you to withdraw. So let's say if you have BNB, BTC, Ethereum in your account, the first thing that you need to do is to simply swap it. So tap on this fourth option of swap. Then you will be landed here on this page where simply in the pay select that particular cryptocurrency which you have in your SafePal wallet. After that, in the receive section, make sure that you add USDT or USDC. Once done, simply enter the amount that you want to convert or swap into USDT. After that, once you have your USDT available in your SafePal wallet, now you can send this USDT to any other exchanges with the help of which you can get the money in your bank account, like it can be Binance, Coinbase, Kraken. So here you are going to see the send option. So simply tap on the send option. Over here in the search bar, simply search for USDT. Now once you are able to find USDT, you need to simply tap on that. After that, you need to simply fill out this form where in the to section you will have to enter the address of that particular exchange to which you are basically sending your USDT. So let's say you are sending it in your Binance account. So simply launch your Binance application, then tap on the option of add funds. Over here, select the option of deposit crypto, then select USDT. After that, select the same network that you have selected in your SafePal wallet, which would be the ERC20 network. So after selecting it, you are going to see a QR code and the deposit address in front of you. So you need to copy it from here, then come here in the to section and paste it. After that, in the amount section, simply add the amount of USDT that you want to withdraw, then press next here in the bottom. On the next page, you need to review your transaction and see if everything is correct. Within just 5 to 10 minutes, you are going to get the money in your Binance account. So once you have your USDT available in your Binance account from SafePal, now you can basically sell it and get the money in your bank account. For that, simply tap on the more option here on the home page. After that, use the search bar here in the top in order to search for P2P. So once you are here in P2P, simply tap on the option of sell. Over here, first of all, tap on this drop down menu in the top right hand corner of the screen, and here you need to select USD. After that, you need to select USDT here too. So you are going to see all of the persons to whom you can basically sell the crypto. So you need to select the one that has the badge and a large number of transactions. So once you tap on the sell option right next to their profile, you can select all of your USDT, then select your payment method, which would be your bank account. After that, you can place order. So this way only you will be able to move your money from your SafePal wallet to the bank account. The process is quite lengthy, I agree to it, but this is the only way of doing it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also drop a comment if you want me to cover more crypto wallet tutorials. Thanks for watching. Bye.